Hello, this is my uh, assignment 3 demo. Okay, so first I'll show you uh, the file that I'm gonna submit is this assignment3.zip. And when you extract it, you'll get this assignment 3 folder, which has all of the files in it. So to run the code, you would go to the directory and you would run this assignment C, Java C assignment 03.java. And this will give you all the .class files. And then to run the code, you would run the driver file that I made. So you would do Java assignment 03.java, driver. Okay, so this driver code is a test file that I made, which um, does it basically, as it said in the instructions, has one example where there's a time conflict and one example where there is no time conflict, which would be the true and the false. Hold on one second. Let me just see. Um, yes. Okay. So now I'll show you the edits to the code that I made also, and then I'll also show you the driver code too. So in this file, the concrete student, all I did was add this missing method, which was just to return true or false. So I returned false for the time conflict originally, just for the concrete, and that's implemented more in the course decorator. Okay, so I basically just did all of what the to-do sections was, which was basically just adding on the decorator to whatever it already had with the new line, and doing it to the list as well. And here is the logic for the start and end time. I basically just followed what it said here with the start window and the end window with the minus minutes 10 and the plus minutes. So there's some separation between the courses. And then just here is the time conflict. And it just tells you if there's a time conflict between whatever time you put in and the courses that the student is registered for. And then these are just some basic abstract methods like get and set for university and major. Okay, now the driver code, I have an example where I make myself as a person and I set my major and my university, and then I decorate the student, which is me, with 4 courses. So I give it the CS 542, which was this example here. And then I also um, created 3 other courses because it asked to decorate it with 4 courses. Okay. Um, and none of these courses have time conflicts, as it said. So, and it uses military time for this local time function. And then I display the courses that I have. So here I have design patterns, operating systems, statistics, and web development. And as you can see, there's no time conflicts. Okay, now the next part was to mm, 2 tests of the time conflict, one showing where it returns true and one where it returns false. So here's the first test, and I put in the time 13:15, which is 1:15 p.m. And there is a time conflict because it overlaps with CS 542, which starts at 1:30. So yes, there would be a time conflict because of the 15 minutes. Okay. Um, and then for the second one, there would be no time conflict. So the test time was 5 o'clock, and there's no class that conflicts with that. So no conflicts detected. And I think that's pretty much it. Okay. Well, thank you.